Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add product blocks on Weebly. This is essential if you're setting up an online store or showcasing products on your site, so let's walk through it step by step. First, open your browser and head to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your home page. Take a look at the left menu where you'll see an option labeled Website. Go ahead and click on it. Directly underneath, you'll find Edit Site, so click that as well. This brings up a list of all the websites you've created with Weebly. Choose the website you want to edit from the list. Once selected, look over to the right side of the screen and you'll see an Edit button. Click it to enter the editor page of your website. This is where all the magic happens and where you can customize and build your site. Now, once you're in the editor, scroll down through the left sidebar or use the search function to locate the products element. The products element is specifically designed to display items you're selling, making it easy for visitors to browse your offerings. When you find it, simply drag the products block and drop it into the desired position on your page. This flexibility allows you to place your products exactly where they'll have the most impact. After placing the block, you'll notice an option to add product within the newly added product block. Click on Add Product to open the product details form. This is where you'll input all the essential information about your item. Start by entering the product name, a detailed description that highlights its features and benefits, and the price. You'll also want to upload high-quality images that showcase your product from different angles, as visuals play a huge role in online sales. Next, you can set product options such as sizes, colors, or any variations your product might have. This is particularly useful if you're selling clothing, accessories, or customizable items. It allows customers to select exactly what they want before adding it to their cart. After that, configure your inventory settings. This helps you keep track of stock levels and prevents overselling. You'll also need to fill in shipping details, including weight and dimensions if applicable, so customers know what to expect at checkout. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click Save to finalize your product. If you want to add more products to your site, simply repeat these steps for each item. It's a straightforward process that becomes even quicker once you get the hang of it. And that's it. You've successfully added product blocks to your Weebly site, making it ready to showcase and sell your products online. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.